let's learn how you can stop people from seeing that you viewed their TikTok profile. Welcome back to another video, guys. If you want to view someone's profile on TikTok, but you don't want them to know that you've been looking at the profile, videos, or other things, then follow my steps. TikTok has this cool little feature that's called profile views. And when the profile views are enabled on someone's TikTok account, they can see a list of people that have viewed their profile in the past 30 days. This is a double-edged sword because it also allows other people to see if you've been on their profile. So if you want other people to stop seeing that you have been on their profile and maybe watched their videos and all that stuff, you simply want to tap on these little feet icon that are next to the 3 horizontal lines. That's going to open your profile views and you will see who's been on my profile in the past 30 days. We will then tap on the little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and simply disable this switch or turn the profile views option off. This is going to disable the profile views on your TikTok account. And from now, when you go over to someone's TikTok account, that person won't know or won't see that you've viewed their TikTok. You can browse anonymously and enjoy without being spotted. But you have to keep in mind that if you disable the profile views, you won't be able to see who views your TikTok profile. So if you don't want other people to see that you viewed their profile, you also won't be able to see who see yours. But that's about it. Just turn off the profile views option and you can enjoy TikTok once again. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want more helpful tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe to Tutor, and I will see you in the next one.